Salted Pollack Roe is considered as an Asian delicacy. This fish egg has saltiness and smooth texture which can add a lot of umami to any dish. So I try to find the best match for this unique ingredient. Garlic shrimp pasta with Pollack Roe butter. Let's begin. First, let's thinly slice garlic cloves. Try your best to slice them in even thickness. Use mandolin if necessary, just be careful not to cut your hand. And cut the scallion green part into rounds. 1 tablespoon of volume is all you need. You can use any kind of shrimp you want, but this one I'm using the black tiger shrimp. Peel the shrimp all the way except for the tail. Now the Pollack Roe is packed in a sack, so you need to cut them open first. And then you scrape out the egg part using your small spoon. And toss this membrane. Melt your butter on low heat, but don't brown it. Now, let's make this delicious pasta sauce. You're going to add Pollack Roe, scallion rounds, minced garlic, pour the warm butter on top. Add some freshly ground black pepper, then mix everything. Then you'll get this gooey texture with amazing flavor. Let's cook pasta in salted boiling water. Now, don't try to test your pasta by throwing it to a wall or like cutting them open and then see how the core looks like. It doesn't really work. Best way is to read the instructions on your packet. Just think about it. The manufacturer wants you to have this pasta the best way you can, so you can purchase it again in the future. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, time's running out, so we gotta cook garlic and shrimp. Start a cold pan with oil and immediately add garlic slices. And you're going to cook this on medium-low heat. Just think about yourself making garlic flavor infused oil. Please don't answer your phone while doing this because it will burn like... Once you see the rims of the garlic slices turning slightly brown, then you add shrimp to the pan. Switch to a medium-high heat and season with salt and pepper. It depends on the size of your shrimp, but generally shrimp cooks in just 3 minutes. Once you're done, you're going to scoop out the garlic and shrimp from the pan. On the same pan, you add the pasta water and add some Korean chili powder. Bring it up to a vigorous boil and mix everything. And you drop in your al dente pasta. Give about 1 minute for the pasta to absorb the flavor. Cut the heat and then you're going to add Pollack Roe butter sauce. And mix everything with residual heat. Now the pasta noodles are so nicely coated. Roll up the pasta and plate it in the center of the bowl. Place your cooked shrimp on top of the noodles. Sprinkle the crispy garlic. Drizzle some sesame oil on top. And garnish with microgreens. Seriously, this is such an easy recipe with tons of flavor and great texture. Now, if you enjoyed watching my video, please hit the like and subscribe and notification bell because I got more unique pasta recipes waiting for you.